Today, I'm going to show you how to make a braised beef at home. It's really simple, and you can make a big batch of braised beef and enjoy them over multiple meals. I always use brisket, short ribs, or shank meat as preferred meat for this dish. First, cut meat into big chunks, and rinse and cover with cold water and let them sit for about an hour so blood can exit out. And then rinse clean under running water and set aside in a big stock pot. Next, prepare spices. Cut green onions into long segments, sweet onions into strips, and ginger into thin slices. Now, heat oil in a wok over medium heat and add in ginger first, then red chili pepper, Sichuan peppercorns, give brief stirs. Then add in sweet onions and green onions, stir more. Now, add in starch, anises, cloves, fennel seeds, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves. Mix them up and stir for a minute. Now add some water, then soy sauce and sugar. Start to heat the stock pot with cut meat chunks over high heat. Pour in all the ingredients with soup. Add enough water to fully cover the meat. Now, add in enough cooking wine, salt, soy sauce to taste. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. Now, lower the heat to medium and simmer the pot for about an hour. The soup needs to be in simmering boiling state without losing much water through vapor. Occasionally, stir the pot gently so spices are evenly mixed with meat chunks. When time's up, you will notice the meat chunks shrink a bit. Now, dish out all the meat. Optionally, you can filter out ingredients from the soup and save the soup and the tallow for future use. The soup can be added when cooking noodles, for example, and of course, you can use the tallow as cooking oil. When the meat cooks down, slice as needed. It tastes rich in flavor. Save the rest in the refrigerator and retrieve as much as you need for the next meal. Please let me know how you like this recipe. Thanks for watching Luke Cookbook. See you next time.